Hi, my name is Marvell. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a flight attendant, and I sell press-on nails. Okay, so I did a Shein haul because I always get questions about where to get affordable nail supplies at. So I actually got 7 boxes of nail foils for about $1.50 to $3 a box. Each box has 10 rolls. And to compare that to like Amazon or my local nail supply store, I usually pay about $3 to $10 a box. So as you can see, that's a really good deal. The only downside is that Shein doesn't sell nail foil adhesive, but you could easily find that on Amazon. And as you can see, like there's a good amount of nail foil tape inside of these boxes. And it's pretty much the same as you would get at your local store and at Amazon, but at a better price. Next, we have striping tape. It's about $2.50 for all of these colors. Usually they're about $1 for each one. These bear charms are super cute. They were $1. Usually they run about $3 to $5. Next are these beautiful large charms. I paid $5 and they usually cost about $5 to $10, but they are really beautiful and they sparkle really well. Next, we have the metallic leaf set. It actually comes with tweezers as well as a tool to press the leaves down. This set was only $2.50, which is a really good deal because they usually cost $6 to $10. It comes with 6 colors. Usually, when you get these kind of sets, they only come with gold, silver, and maybe rose gold. But I got this because it actually had like the red, the pink, and the green in it. And I mean, it's a really good deal for a large quantity of product. Here's a pro tip. If you need a large quantity of like gold leaf or silver leaf or whatever color, try checking out like your local craft store and look at the resin department. You could get a really large quantity of leaf product at a fraction of the cost. You could also find these items on Amazon as well. Next, I have a sponge smudger. It was only $2 and they just chose a random color for me. These are rhinestone pickup pins. It was $4.50 for 5 of them. In the past, I've paid up to $10 for one pin. The $10 pin was a higher quality, but they didn't have the different heads that this set has. This is a palette ring. It was $2. You could use this to mix your gel colors or your paints. These are nail clips. They're 5 for $1.50. Next, we have a recycling box. This was only $2.50. You would use this if you are doing glitters or a dip powder or pouring like the little micro beads on the nail. You could use this tool to help keep the product from going all over the place, but it also makes it easier to return whatever leftover product back into its original container. These are full cover nails. These are the type of nails that I use to make my press-ons. So great thing they're clear. They also come in a box. These are only $4.50 and they're a nice thickness. If you were to buy these on Amazon, you would probably pay about $10. And in the local beauty supply store, I've paid anywhere from $10 to $30 depending on the brand of nail. So for $4.50 for 500 pieces, this is an excellent deal. These are polish cards. It was only $1.50 for a set of 50. Last but not least, I have this gel double-sided tape. I decided to try this out for displaying my nails on the nail card. As you look at the packaging, you might be able to see that the nails are stuck to white tape. I actually get the white tape from the dollar store, but I decided to try the gel from Shein for $1.50. All right, if you've made it to this point, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I do plan on making more videos like this, and I thank you guys for the support. Ciao.